You have to take control of that, right? It's your aircraft. You're in the left seat. What do you want to have happen next? Does he have enough information to sign a contract? I don't think so, but does he? Yes or no?
Probably not, because he was going to forward the information I gave to him to his team.
Okay, we're not referencing that. Why? He put you in a hole. I'm going to forward this to my team. Don't put yourself back in the hole by calling him and saying, hey, as promised, I'm calling to see if you had a chance to forward it to your team. He has the authority to do business with you without his team. It's not, this ain't a democracy. It's a business, right? So don't put yourself back in that hole, right? Calling to see if it makes sense for us to move forward with the discussion so that we can You got to figure out what that benefit is and what happens next. I would recommend have a more formal meeting for us to monetize and see what the value in working. That would be what I would do, because it doesn't sound like you've monetized it yet. If you had monetized it, you would know, get all of your locations, bang, so that we can take top line revenue from 17 million to 34 million. If you can't make a statement like that, the next thing that I would maybe ask for is, hey, Brian, Matt Easton over here at Easton Merchant Services, as promised, calling to see if it makes sense for us to carve out a few minutes, talk through everything, see if we can monetize the lift that we can get you in. Again, if I can't, I'll be the first one to raise my hand, let you know, and you'll have a cheap insurance policy knowing that how you're doing it right now is optimized for you. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. Now there's a what's in it for him. Either way, not just a one-way street of what's in it for, if I have this conversation, I might save some money. That's a one-directional, that's an amateur, right? Come on, why don't you want to have this call with me? Worst case, I'll tell you how much money we can save you. No, worst case, you just wasted my freaking time, right? So you have to be real careful when you talk to him and say, hey, calling to see if it makes sense for us to just take a few minutes. I can look at your statements right now, gather that information, get you an answer on how much lift we can get you. We're into getting clients like you, Monster Lift. If I cannot get you Monster Lift, I will be the first one to raise my hand, let you know. And if your deal is great with your current provider, I'll also let you know, which is a fantastic insurance policy, and you'll know to double down on your re-sign with them. Now he's like, ooh, either way, I'm going to walk away from this more secure than I did before. So that's probably what I would ask for on that one. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm going to give you $300 right here, right now, to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you want to double, triple, quadruple your closing right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University mini masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm going to cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.